guys, my name is Rachel in Girlson Country. So today's video is an unboxing video. So you know what's gonna be unboxing? It's a tripod and it's from Flipkart. My father gifted me. So before starting this video, please subscribe, like and share if you already done it. So what are you waiting for? Let's go back to our video. Okay, and it has a pouch to put the tripods. Okay, so this is the first one. The second one. And the third one. Okay, so let's put it out. This is the first one which we need to build first. Okay, so can you see this first, this last screw? Okay, make it close. Okay, do like this. Okay, make the tie, the screw. And put it over here. And lose the screw. Okay, do like this. Now tie the screw. Now the next one is this. Okay, close the screw first. Now put it inside. Okay. And last one is this. So this is the maximum bigger. If you want to make smaller, I will show you. Okay, move the screw first. Now make it small like this. Okay, now the screw. And the second one, make it smaller. Okay. Now tie the screw. Now the next one. Okay, now this is a maximum smaller. Okay, so I take Risa's phone to show you first. Okay, so can you see two buttons over here and here? Okay, so press to this together. Open this. Okay, and put your phone here. Now press it. Now it's fixed. You can rotate it, make it upside, left and right, rotate it like this. Okay. Even we can put tablets. If you want to put tablets, do this. Let me take my iPad. Okay, it's fixed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye.